All right, so today we're going to be looking at neutralization reactions. Okay, after we finish this lesson, you can go off and read the textbook, but I'll show you the pages after the end, at the end of this, this lesson. So neutralization reaction is when an acid reacts with a base and a special double displacement reaction occurs called neutralization reaction. Okay, where it neutralizes the hydrogen ions and the hydroxide ions, like we learned in the acid and base, they kind of neutralize each other to form a pH of 7. Okay, during neutralization reaction, one of the products is a salt and the other is a water. So that's what you always get. So you have an acid plus a base, and you get a salt plus a water. Okay, the salt is an ionic compound, a metal and a non-metal, for example. Okay, so you have hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is the base, hydrochloric acid is the acid. Okay, and then you're left with sodium chloride plus water. You have salt plus you have your water. Okay, you got hydrogen sulfate plus potassium hydroxide. Okay, and you're left with water plus potassium sulfate. Okay, you can go back and I'm not going to do it, but if you want to, you can go practice, um, balancing equations. Sorry about that. Okay, so again, when a neutralization reaction occurs, the pH is always 7 or it's neutral, okay, because the concentration of hydrogen ions equals the concentration of hydroxide ions. Now, we have many examples in real life. I don't know if you've ever had acid indigestion or heartburn. You take bicarbonate pills, and that kind of helps out because the hydrochloric acid's coming up into your esophagus. So what happens is you take the bicarbonate, and bicarbonate would be considered a base, and it ultimately brings down and neutralizes the hydrogen ions. But for now, I want you to go back and read page 281, numbers 1 to 10, and that will be it for the chemistry unit. Good job, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.